student, today we will discuss about the tissue. In this we will discuss about connective tissue. Connective tissue, as the name implies, supports and connects different tissues and the organs of the body. They are widely distributed in every part of the body. They originate from the mesoderm. So origin of the connective tissue is from the mesoderm, as the muscular tissue was having. Connective tissue is made up of few cells present in the intercellular frame of the protein fibers secreted by the cells known as collagen or elastin. So the cells also secrete a thin gel of polysaccharides which together with fibers make matrix or the ground substance of that tissue. The elasticity, the flexibility and the strength of the connective tissue are due to these fibers. The functions of connective tissue depend on the nature of intercellular substance present in it. So, it depends on which type of substance is present in the tissue. Connective tissue contains three different types of fibers: collagen, elastic and reticular. Collagen fibers are the most widespread and made up of fibrous protein called collagen. Elastic fibers form a network and can be stretched like rubber band, and they regain their shape also. They are made up of protein elastin. They retain their original shape size once the force is removed. Reticulate fibers consist of collagen and glycoprotein. They are thin and form a delicate network. They join connective tissue to neighboring tissues. There are various kinds of present in different types of connective tissue. They secrete different types of fibers and matrix. Fibroblasts or adipose cells are the stationary, and macrophages, mast cells, monocytes, lymphocytes are migrating cells, means they keep on moving here and there. Fibroblasts are found in developing tissues and play an important part in wound healing. Macrophages are also known as scavenger cells, as they destroy the foreign particles also. They wander through the connective tissue, clean up the debris and removes bacteria and other antigens by phagocytosis. Now the characters of the connective tissue we will discuss in the next part of the video. Along with that, the types of connective tissue. So there are different types of connective tissue that will be also discussed in next class.